So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, and it's a new year 2026. So, I'm going to start off with a Bible verse, Psalms 37. So, fret not thyself because of evildoers, neither be thou envious against the world because of iniquity, for they shall soon be cut down like the grass and wither as the green herb. Trust in the Lord and do good, so shall thou dwell in the land, and verily thou shalt be fed. Delight thyself also in the Lord, and he shall give thee the desire of thy heart. Commit thy way unto the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. And he shall bring forth thy righteousness as the light, and thy judgment as the noonday. Rest in the Lord, and wait patiently for him. Fret not thyself because of him who prospereth in his way, because of the man who bringeth wicked devices to pass. Cease from anger, and forsake wrath. Fret not thyself in any wise to do evil, for evildoers shall be cut off, but those that wait upon the Lord, they shall inherit the earth. For yet a little while, and the wicked shall not be, yea, thou shalt diligently consider his place, and it shall not be. But the meek shall inherit the earth, and shall delight themselves in the abundance of peace. The wicked plotteth against the just, and gnasheth upon him with his teeth. The Lord shall laugh at him, for he seeth that his day is coming. The wicked have drawn out the sword, and have bent their bow to cast down the poor and needy, and to slay such as be of upright conversation. Their sword shall enter into their own heart, and their bow shall be broken. All this that a righteous man have is better than the riches of many wicked. For the arms of the wicked shall be broken, but the Lord upholdeth the righteous. The Lord knoweth the days of the upright, and their inheritance shall be forever. They shall not be ashamed in the evil time, and in the days of famine they shall be satisfied. But the wicked shall perish, and the enemies of the Lord shall be as the fat of lambs. They shall consume, into smoke shall they consume away. The wicked borrow it and pay it not again, but the righteous show it mercy and give it. For such as be blessed of him shall inherit the earth, and they that be cursed of him shall be cut off. The steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord, and he delighteth in his way. Though he fall, he shall not be utterly cast down, for the Lord upholdeth him with his hand. I have been young, and now I am old, yet have I not seen the righteous forsaken, nor his seed begging bread. He is ever merciful and lendeth, and his seed is blessed. Depart from evil and do good, and dwell forevermore. For the Lord loveth judgment, and forsaketh not his saints. They are preserved forever, but the seed of the wicked shall be cut off. The righteous shall inherit the land, and dwell therein forever. The mouth of the righteous speaketh wisdom, and his tongue talketh of judgment. The law of his God is in his heart, none of his steps shall slide. The wicked watcheth the righteous, and seeketh to slay him. The Lord will not leave him in his hand, nor condemn him when he is judged. Wait on the Lord, and keep his way, and he shall exalt thee to inherit the land. When the wicked are cut off, thou shalt see it. I have seen the wicked in great power, and spreading himself like a green bay tree. Yet he passed away, and lo, he was not. Yea, I sought him, but he could not be found. Mark the perfect man, and behold the upright, for the end of that man is peace. But the transgressors shall be destroyed together. The end of the wicked shall be cut off. But the salvation of the righteous is of the Lord. He is their strength in the time of trouble, and the Lord shall help them and deliver them. He shall deliver them from the wicked and save them, because they trust in him. Amen. So it's the next day. So I'm gonna pause this. So for this year, for me, it's finishing up and making sure that I would have really concluded some of the things that I would have started. So yeah, that's my mission for this year for sure. Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Summerose Wynter. So today is January 17, Saturday, 2026. Yeah, Happy New Year. And yeah, I don't know if I just stay tuned to what the day was. Bye. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's been raining all day. Go below. It's been a while I've been up on YouTube anyways. Alright then, come we make some breakfast, yeah. So this is our now. What's dumpling? When we done mess around now. Stay locked, yeah. We'll pause this. It's been a while I'm not come on YouTube. So now I'm jumping on my business, give me my breakfast. So let's go. I have to pause this. Oh, I'm Melissa passed and I have survived. Thank God. Yeah. It's breakfast time. You know. So Daniel is here and I am about to do my hair. Oh, say hi to Gucci. Gucci. Gucci say hi. So me go make dog food. Dogs in the field. Or turn Camila when you can.
Turn Camila chicken.
What a Gucci say hi? Say hi Gucci. So Gucci are the only one that is left out of all of the dogs. My only one that survive. Watch ya! Gucci stop. Me soon look about the film. Gucci excited. Gucci get big. So Gucci is the only survivor of all the dogs, yeah. Alright, so watch me do my hair. I'm gonna go plait up my ear. So stay tuned. Daniel say bye.
Bye. Peace.
Alright, we're gonna make some dog food here. Turn Camille for Gucci. Yeah. Stay locked for that. Yeah. You have to treat a dog good, you know. One Gucci. You know what, go on, you go for your food. One Gucci, relax. Hey, say hi to the vlog. That's hi to the camera. You're such a cutie. Gucci. Where's the dog food I look good? Gucci dog food. Yeah. I get the caramel. Anyways, stay tuned. That's Gucci. So this is a dark dog food. Gucci food. Yes, Gucci. I have chicken, fat, everything in this. Turn caramel for Gucci, the dog. Yeah. I know it's a get late. It's now almost 5 o'clock. And I'll not do my ear, but anyways, I'm going to do it tomorrow. So, see you.
A baby is born, someone has died, and much more. Some of them died. What is causing to them?
Gucci dog food, yeah. Let's have a look. Hey! One Gucci. So I just done feed the dog and I'm here watching Netflix. I'm going to take a shower, okay? So see you tomorrow. Bye. So hello everyone, it's the next day after Sunday.
From high school days.
And as you can
there
see
you
the
go,
hair. from high school days.
I did my hair. Isn't it nice?
This one says, good morning, can you please
So
pray
I'm
for
going
me?
to
Okay,
church this
alright,
morning. Happy
got
Sunday to you.
that.
I like this hairstyle. Okay, how are you this Sunday? Talk to no. So I did my hair last night, so I'm gonna get ready to go to church. Hope y'all are having a blessed Sunday. Yeah. So Daniel is not here. Daniel gone with his grandmother. So just me alone. I got church this morning. Next week he will come. Okay then. So I will see y'all later. Bye. Remember the last time I was vlogging with I get ready with me to go to church and my blouse was burned by the iron. Anyways, so to make clothes I get ready with me. In 3, 2, 1, yeah. Let's see what me I wear. Like what?
I've seen men who put the gun to their head and
So it's the next day, and I am here at Goat Bush. I got the sunshine, beautiful. Yeah. Come Gucci say I. Gucci come. Anyways, it is early in the morning. What time now? About 7:35. So stay locked. Wow, yeah. So I'm back from Goat Bush. It was such a beautiful morning. I get to see butterfly. Hello. Look who is here. The kid. And Gucci. Say hi. Hello. Hello, come out. Go on outside. Outside. Come. Watch him. Gucci say hi. Come pencil kid. Come pencil. Outside. Come. I'm to that kid here, man. Pass. Go on. No ramp with me, yes, they get big. Gucci leave him. Anyways, as I was saying, friend, when then Goat can interrupt me. The Goat and Gucci. So I just bring them out and come back. It was such a beautiful morning. Anyways, Daniel's soon conference was about 3:15 now. So it's just a weekly vlog, so you will see what I do within
a day. So it's like I spend the day with me. So stay tuned. Bye. So I want to give you all a 1 hour video or even 30 minutes video. I want to make my videos a bit more longer with substance that makes sense and can inspire others as well. So bear with me if I don't post every week or often, but yeah, I'm gonna start post back on YouTube, okay? I'm giving a longer content. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend. Yeah. Next clip. Yeah. Yes. Daniel just come from school. So, we are jump out a clip. Good morning. It's the next day. How are y'all doing? It's raining cats and dogs this morning. Okay, raining outside. So I'll see you later. Rain.
How does it feel to be graduates? How do you feel, Cordelia? It feels amazing. After a long journey, I would say that.
So today I just posted on YouTube. So you can follow me on YouTube, okay? You gotta watch this now.